Part 1 of Indian Constitution deals with Union and its territory. Union of India simply means the states. Territory of India is a wider expression. It not only includes the states, union territories, but also acquired territory. Presently, India does not have any acquired territory. It has states and union territories. States are 28 and union territories are 8. So, because of 2019 Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu Merger of Union Territories Act. Now, acquired territory can be obtained either by treaty, cession, purchase, or conquest. Treaty means you sign a treaty with any other country, like it could be after the culmination of a war, and that's how you get the particular geographical area in your kitty. Purchase means you pay for it. Here, this could be the outcome of a war or a tussle, whereas this could be a pure business transaction. Purchase means you pay for it and you get the piece of land. That would be then ruled as acquired territory till such time as Parliament decides to legislate on it. Cession means suppose a foreign power was holding a particular territory and now gives up, it claims on that territory. So that would be cession. Cession, जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, आपने cede कर दिया. I mean, you ceded the ground to your opponent. So cession means formal giving up of rights. And conquest means suppose India conquers a particular country or a part of a country, then that part of the country or the entire country, whatever the case may be, will be ruled by India as an acquired territory. Like union territories, acquired territories are also under the central government subject to legislation by the parliament. Got it?